All systems safe. No threat detected. 1-bit MeshNet active.
Scanning for threats. 1-bit MeshNet ready. Defense mode activated. Threat detected. Drone swarm incoming. Swarm logic engaged. All units, execute defensive countermeasures. Changing battery. Mission success. 1-bit MeshNet Station X04 working. Enemy targets identified. Intruder detected. Countermeasures activated.
We are attacked from all sides simultaneously. Our systems are overpowered.
Mayday!
Ziel neutralisiert.
Target signal detected. Initiating countermeasures. GPS spoofing layer activated. Navigation drift induced. Target neutralized. Perimeter secure.
The stratospheric deployment is active, establishing a secure communication corridor across the swarm. Warning, a hypersonic threat has breached the perimeter.
Hypersonic threat tracked. Counterstrikes initiated. Target neutralized.
Drone leader, ready to combat.